1959 Chevrolet Corvette. This Corvette is available for sale. DavisAutoSales.com or any of our websites will take you right to it. This car was owned by a local collector and good friend of ours. He purchased it from a very well-known, also local book author. She had it just as a toy, part of a collection. Wasn't driven very much, but had it in and out of several restoration shops over the years. When he purchased the car, he purchased it as a driver, which is what it's perfect for. But as you can see, it actually has all of its trim, extremely clean body lines. This has the, when you go to our photos, I'm not gonna have enough battery to film under the hood, but it does have the twin, looks like 4-barrel carburetor setup, 327, 270 horsepower if I remember correctly. Good photos on the website though. What I want to catch with this video is how clean all of the trim areas and all the areas that are usually all gobbed up with nastiness are on this car. Now, this is not a Barrett Jackson $150,000, $200,000 car, but this is a great driver and probably above average for this kind of price point car. Previous owner does have some stuff that'll go with it, extra trim and an extra top. He's 99% sure this top does have a little bit of deterioration to it. But the underside of this C1 is pretty damn good. It just had the points replaced. It is a 4-speed car. This car starts up and runs excellent. Matter of fact, I'll start it up real quick before the battery on this phone dies. Starts and runs pretty well. Again, there are good pictures on the website under the hood. Chrome and stainless on the car is in good shape. Really a good looking car. Extremely good driver quality car. This previous owner did drive it several times, several hundred miles to some weddings and some other events. But a great C1 for sure. Very clean car. And actually it's getting ready to be part of a video. We're lucky enough to have every generation of Corvette right now available. C1 to C8. So please watch our YouTube channel for that. That video should drop soon. If you have any particular questions, give us a call. This is one beautiful car. DavisAutoSales.com. Price on this car $79,900 and it is available immediately. As well as check out all of our other inventory on the website. Thanks for watching.